Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your thumbnail on Whatnot. Now, thumbnails on Whatnot are one of the most important aspects because it really attracts people to click on your stream. So let's pretend that we have a scheduled show, and once you schedule a show, when you scroll down, this is actually where you're going to add your thumbnail. So this thumbnail, if you click on add a thumbnail, it'll allow you to actually go ahead and choose an image from your library and add a thumbnail there. Additionally, you can also add a video if you click on the right hand side, but once you set your desired thumbnail, you should be ready and steady to go. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your thumbnail on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.